Hi guys,
I'm Surbhi.
and I'm Rimjim, and today we'll be taking a video on 15 things not to do while preparing for UPSC. Usually people tell you what to do, but we'll be telling you what not to do.
So firstly, don't study too many books. Stick to the syllabus. Keep only one source per book. There are so many sources available in the market. Don't get bogged down by that.
Yeah, keep like first important thing is remember the syllabus, because if you don't remember the syllabus, you'll just read everything coming your way. So memorize the syllabus by heart. Secondly, I would like to suggest that don't listen to the Rajendra Nagar grapevine and don't listen to the gossip. People would tell you कि optional हट रहा है and GS papers कम हो रहे हैं, but don't listen to that. Keep your preparation on track, and if any official communication comes, let it come, and don't try to modify your preparation as per your gossips.
Thirdly, I would say that studying too many hours does not mean you're doing a lot of hard work. So schedule your preparation, like weekly, daily schedule, monthly schedule, and be disciplined. Stick to the schedule. Have a proper time management in mind.
Yeah, all work, no play makes Jack a
Yes.
dull boy. So to increase your productivity also, I would say pick up a hobby, pick up a sport, do whatever you like, take frequent breaks. So it increases your productivity also, and at the end of the day, you'll feel as if you have done some considerable work in the day. So do that.
Maintain a balance between
Yeah.
friends, like meet them sometimes, but don't get too much
Yeah,
involved
don't-
in all that in
Don't
friendship.
get carried away.
Yes.
Don't socially isolate yourself. I would say
Also,
limit
yeah.
yourself, but don't isolate yourself completely.
So also we'd like to say that don't spend too many hours on the newspaper. Sieve through the important stuff. So have the syllabus in mind and see whatever is in the syllabus. Make sure you study that. Like don't study too many political gossips or page 3 gossips at all. Nothing like that. So make sure you're studying the important stuff in the newspaper only.
Yeah. Also, it's a very important thing. Don't get bogged down by the competition, because we all have attended coachings and we go mad on seeing 300, 350 people in one class. But that is not your real competition. So keep yourself focused, keep yourself not distracted, and don't worry about the competition. Don't worry about the mad numbers that 7 lakh people have written the exam or they have filled the form. Don't worry about that. That is not your real competition.
Sometimes studying as if you're the only one giving the exam also
Yeah,
helps.
that really helps.
So again, don't give a half-hearted attempt. Like be sincere. Every attempt is important.
Yeah.
Sometimes, like a lot of people nowadays clear it in the first attempt itself.
Right.
You can also do it. So prepare sincerely.
Yeah, give every attempt as if it's your last. Okay, so it is very important. I know some people who directly move to, hi-fi books. Don't do that. Base your foundation, base your UPSC preparation on the foundation of NCRTs. They are suggested by almost every topper. Any blog you read, they'll tell you
Yes.
that start with NCRTs, because if you jump straight away to hi-fi books, you'll not be able to develop your foundation. And we have seen so many instances wherein UPSC has asked directly questions from NCRT.
Yes.
In prelims, in mains, even in the interview, it comes to your rescue. So don't skip the basics.
Yeah. So don't
Get
mug
back
up.
to basics.
Yes, very important. Don't mug up the NCRT as well. So study it in an analytical way. So UPSC does not check your memory or anything.
Right.
Like don't mug facts, figures. You'll memorize them eventually as you revise. So don't get into mugging and everything, rote learning.
True. So as we see, since the past 2-3 years since CSAT has been removed, GS is the only deciding factor for your prelims. So don't be too risk averse in prelims. Increase your risk appetite. Increase as much as you can. In the first iteration, do those questions in which you are
That
pretty
you know
sure,
very
in which
well.
you know the answer. It's black and white. And in the second iteration, do those questions in which you have to make a calculated guess. Use elimination. So attempt as much as you can. That will increase your chances of clearing prelims.
So again, then we'd like to say that don't skip previous year's question papers. It's very important. It gives you the trend of the exam, the pattern of the exam, the kind of questions that are being asked. So make sure you study them. They're very important. Sometimes direct questions are asked in
Yeah.
prelims from the previous year's
Yeah,
question
we
papers.
had such a
We had so
question
many
when we
times.
wrote the
Yes.
prelims.
You'll
So-
realize it and then you like to study them more. So do
and
that.
I was foolish enough not to refer to the previous year paper, and I got that question right.
Yes.
So regretful
imagine,
in
yeah,
that
like
case.
even 1 mark is so important. So
Yeah.
if you do that,
It helps.
yes.
Okay, so for mains, especially in GS, don't leave any question unattempted. I used to follow this. Whatever I used to write about, I used to rephrase the question and write whatever I knew about it, but I used to write. I used to draw flowcharts. I used to just do anything, but I never used to leave any question unattempted. I think this really helps because each and every mark
Mark
counts.
is
The
important.
competition
Every
is
mark is
crazy. Each and every mark is very important. So don't lose that.
So continuing with mains, don't write expert answers. The people who are checking are probably not experts. They're also generalists. Write like a generalist. Be analytical. Make flowcharts, like you
Right.
said. Make diagrams if possible. Don't stress out on that. But if you can do that, so make it like a very readable answer. It should
Yeah.
not be like, what are you reading? Not able to understand.
Yeah. So I would like to add to that. So suppose your optional is also political science.
Yes.
And then in GS2 you have questions from polity. So if the same question is asked in both the papers, you should know what to write in the optional and you should know what to write in the GS, and the answer should be very different. You should write like a generalist in your GS paper and like a specialist in the optional paper. So keep that in mind. That really helps.
So then don't keep answer writing practice for the end. Make sure you write answers from the beginning. So UPSC, like the mains, is all about writing answers. So
Yeah.
it's very important to make sure that you're writing well, you're writing timely. Even if you cannot write initially well, just make sure you're jotting down your points, like whatever you studied, you can put them in a flow. So all that is very important. So you should start practicing from the beginning.
And answer writing is something which you don't develop, overnight.
Yes, you
it
have to
comes
practice.
with practice. So just do that. You may not have the content initially, but over a period of time, it will come to you. So keep practicing from the beginning.
So lastly, for the interview, don't try to be someone else. The people sitting on the other side of the table have seen so many aspirants through so many years, so they know you through and through. Be yourself, don't lie. You're the best personality, so you're great. Be yourself. You should know about yourself, very importantly. So I think
Be confident,
yeah.
be a dignified version of your own self. Walk in like an officer, so walk out like an officer, but don't try to
stress.
lie, don't try to
Yeah.
bluff them. Just be yourself and be calm and composed, and it will be done.
So lastly, UPSC is not the end
Not
of the
the end of
world.
the
Don't
world.
stress out about it. Prepare as if there's nothing to lose.
Yeah. And there are multiple variables to success, and everything is not in our hands. What we can do the most is control what's in our hands. So just give it your best shot, and that's it. It will be done. Don't take too much stress about it, and don't worry too much.
Leave it on destiny. Just be sincere. Prepare well.
Yeah.
All the best.
All
to
this
everyone.
Godspeed.
Godspeed. Yeah. Okay.
Bye.